Welcome to this short video on restrictions on the front page. We have to have some restrictions in what information can be produced and added in what location. Most of it is because of the presentation of the content. It has to present in a special way, and we cannot do that for every page type. So I have a list of things that you cannot do, and please don't try to do them. Some things you actually can do, but with great effect. For example, the first thing you need to know never to change is name in URL, and simple address of your front page. If you change something here, it will not present to anyone, and it can be hard to undo. And the next thing you cannot do is change the content of the title field. That is locked for editing to local editors. You cannot add an emergency block field or an information field. There are restrictions on every block field on the front page and in many other page types. This one is set to a maximum of 4 blocks. This one is set to a maximum of 4 links with the 5th down center. And then the news and events filter or focus field is set to have a maximum of 3 articles. If you do not understand what I mean, I'm just going to do an example. If I drag in one more, which is 3, it's all right. But if I drag in a 4th one, even if it's the same one, I will get a message up here saying it's too many items. Maximum is something. So if you want to know the maximum, just start adding things to the block field and you will get an information about how many you can have. The social media belt is next up, and it has the ability to have 4 blocks. You cannot add more, and if you have more than 4 social media sites or accounts, you can add them to a social media list page that every mission should have. And the values and priorities area or theme page area both have restriction on 3 articles. If you try to add more than 3 articles, you will get the same error message, a maximum of 3. The footer at the bottom has no restrictions, and it should only contain the information needed at the bottom. And as I've said a couple of times, if you get an error message, it will always display at the top of the page. Click it and you can see what type of error message or what you have done wrong. Could be something else, and remove that one and you will be able to publish your content.